We just got a package. Opening up a package that I just got from Nigeria. I wonder what it could be. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. My name is Shannon Shibia, owner, co-owner, because I partner with God in everything that I do. Cover Embroidery Collective, where I take beautiful fabrics that are handmade or hand drawn and hand dyed from artisans in Nigeria, and I make beautiful things out of them here in my home studio. And I have some new products to show you along with me opening up a package that I just got from Nigeria. I wonder what it could be. I think it's some beautiful fabric inside, so I want to open it up with you today. Okay, so we have again some new products, and these products are for my girlies who have a lot going on, my creators out there who have a lot going on, my moms out there who have a lot going on, and you are building your brand, but you still want to look good with a little effort, right? You don't want to spend all day, you don't have all the time to do all the things, but you still want to look good quickly, right? You want to take your minimal pieces that you have and you want to throw something on and just like, you know, have a statement piece and feel good and confident about yourself throughout the day. So when you show up, you're just showing up as the best version of yourself. Well, I got some products for you today, and I want to show you the two products that I made right here in this very room with this hand-drawn, hand-dyed fabric are these two beauties right here. These earrings and this headband, okay? So I want to show you the headbands that I have made here in my shop. And let me show you, right? So I'm a natural girl with my hair. I'm a natural girl, right? But with this headband on, you can't tell that I only flat ironed the top of my head and the back of my head. And I put this headband on because it saves me so much time. But look, so this is the headband. This is my favorite headband. I wear this headband all the time. But right now, I just have these headbands, this color, which is my purple one. You can use this to you know, keep your hair down in the front if you want to keep your hair down in the front to lay your edges. But I just really like this headband and this headscarf because it's adjustable. You know, you can tie it in the back. I like to pair it. Again, I wear white tops and I'll wear my Embroidery pants, which I don't have in my shop yet, but I will also wear this with jeans and these beautiful earrings, which is something else that I have created right here in this studio, and I have linked these in the description as well. But they're really cute, and again, they're a nice little zhuzh, a quick uplift to your outfit if you're just on the go, but you want to look cute and still put together. I'm going to show you my hair, right? So again, I'm a natural girl and I wash my hair. I try not to wash it too much, but I just flat iron the front and the back after I wash it and blow dry it, and I put my hair in a ponytail. And this has been my style. This will be my go-to style until I get my twist back in, probably because I just don't have much time, but I still want to look thebomb.com, which I will do because I don't go out here looking any kind of way. Okay, we don't do that. So then I just take my scarf. Look at that. Y'all see that? Hand drawn, hand dyed, one of a kind, beautiful, effortless. Look, I got my 5-minute makeup routine down, y'all. And then I put my hair like this. Listen, can't nobody tell me nothing. I am going to I just got a package in from Nigeria. I just got some fabric in and I want to unbox that with you, okay? Also, if you are a creator or crafter and you are interested in making and selling these products at your next vendor market, then click the link in the description below where you will be directed to my website and you'll be able to purchase scrap fabric from me so that you can make these products and sell them at your vendor's market too. Like, what are you waiting for? Let's do that right now. Great quality, sustainable brand, and ethically sourced. Like, it is a win-win. You look good. You are doing good for the earth, and this is definitely for those of you who are getting online, or you don't have much time to get ready. You got a lot going on like we all do, but you still want to look put together and you want to look nice when you leave your house, and you want to have some statement pieces that last, that tell a story, that are historic, that just are wonderful. Really, really, really wonderful statement pieces to have. And you definitely want to click the link and go ahead and grab you a pair of these boho earrings and the headband. Okay? All right. So I am going to go ahead and make sure nothing's showing here. I am going to go ahead and unbox, unbag this fabric that I just got in from Nigeria. I'm going to go ahead and open it up with you here right now so we can see the beautiful, beautiful art that was just sent to us by artisans in Nigeria who are just doing an amazing job at, creating beautiful things with their hands, taking their time, leaving a story, a legacy, just doing amazing things. Ooh, got this this fabric is so beautiful. This really beautiful fabric. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Isn't this beautiful? All right, let's see what else we have in here. Okay, the next fabric is, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful, right? Comment beautiful if you think this is beautiful. Isn't this beautiful? Look at this fabric, y'all. Like, you can't find this anywhere else. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's like really, really beautiful. Like, I'm not gonna cry, but I lightweight want to. But do you see that those colors? And it doesn't fade. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Like, how do they do this? They're amazing. That is so beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, Shannon. All right, this is the last one that I got because I only got 3. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that. Is that not? Oh, and it's so soft. Oh my goodness, look at those colors. Look at those colors. Oh my goodness, this is just gorgeous.